Mom's lifesaver. Keep baby safe in their play activity center when mom, dad needs to cook, clean up, go to the bathroom, etc. Sturdy holding. Specially designed anti-slip rubber feet underneath of the yard so the parts don't go sliding around. And we added the anti-stick arm design in the picture to make the baby playpen more stable. Covers a large area. It is a great amount of play space for baby to learn walk and even laying with baby in it for playtime. Total dimensions is 59 by 59 by 23.6 inches. Easy to assemble. It is lightweight, easy to put together and take down, without 15 minutes. Adding or removing extra panels is also very easy. Say no to animal pen. Bright and colorful design make the fence look more lovely in order to attract children and energize their mood automatically. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing, we love it. I am so glad I made this purchase. The first 5 months of her life her play area was in an inflatable pool, but with 6 dogs they wanted to be in there with her and easily jumped inside. This playpen makes sure she is always protected if I have to walk away. The fun and vibrant colors are attractive and it easily fits anywhere I need to put it. The orange non-slide pieces are great for making the playpen more secure and prevent panels from shifting. We put them on the joints instead of on the actual panel, see photos. The only thing I really wish was different was the door handle. I wish it was higher and only needed one hand to open. The last picture is missing 2 panels because we needed more room for other things until after the holidays, but we will use them again as soon as holidays are over. Overall I am so glad I bought this, best investment so far.